laminated overnight on a CNC
Hey,
cut
Jonathan
jig.
here at Colfax Math. I have two of my favorite tools here from the classes I teach. I teach both high school math and woodshop, and both of these tools have a ton of similarities. One thing I was going to say first is this is a Harbor Freight battery operated drill driver. You could really design and build just about anything with it. You could design and build projects, you could design and build decks, and you could even build a home using a drill driver like this. One thing about it though is if you don't have a bit in there, this whole tool is completely useless. This thing will do nothing for you if you don't have the right driver bit in there. Similarly, this is a TI-84 graphing calculator. If you don't have the math skills to operate this thing's completely useless. So it's really important to develop some basic math skills so you could use this tool to its potential. Next, this tool has a forward switch and a reverse switch. It's really important to have both directions, to be able to put things together and take things apart. If you're building a set for a play, you want to build all those things and be able to take it apart. If you're prototyping new furniture, you want to use screws and be able to take them apart. This idea of going forward and undoing is a big part of a drill. Imagine having a drill that didn't have a reverse motion in it or an undo button on it. That's the exact same thing with mathematics and a graphing calculator. Every operation has an undo operation. The undo of multiplication is division. And the reverse button on here, which is called the inverse function, is used with this blue button right here. So if you take a look at a square button right there, up above it is a square root. The way you undo a square is you use the inverse function of a square, which is a square root. Both of these tools are really cool tools, and you could do a ton of things with these two tools. You could design and build any kind of project, a deck, and even a house, a skyscraper. However, the key to using either one of these is a bit of foundational math skills or a little bit of understanding of how things are put together. Both of these tools will take you far in life, and the key is to figure them out.